Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Today video is a requested video, is a Zazzle affiliate video. Like, one of the people from my channel commented on my video talking about how to promote Zazzle products on Pinterest using your affiliate links, whether you're promoting your own store, your own products, or someone else's store or someone else's product. So I'm gonna be diving into my laptop and I'm gonna show you the step-by-step method. It's a tutorial time, so let's get started with that. Before go consider clicking the like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing to the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of free resources to help you make more money. The links are in the description box below. You can very well grab the Zazzle workbook planner that will going to help you in getting started with these Zazzle if you're completely a newbie, or even if you're intermediate looking forward to make more money. This workbook will going to help you. The link is in the description box below. It's a PDF planner entirely based on my experience and knowledge so far, which helped me to become Zazzle Pro seller and making more money on Zazzle. So it's a PDF planner which you can fill it out, finding your ideal client avatar, your products, your categories, everything is there. The link is in description box below. You can support me and my channel on the Patreon. The link is in description box below. You're gonna get early access to my YouTube videos, keyword list, niche ideas, a lot more. The link is in description box below. You can very well check it out. Okay guys, currently we are on the Zazzle and I'm gonna show you how to use your affiliate links and how to find the affiliate links so that you can very well promote the products on Pinterest and can make more money, getting more commission for every product sold, whether it's on your products or someone else's product. So you can see this is a page of the Zazzle affiliate. On 15% sale with the Zazzle associate program, get paid a percentage, and this is a program look like. I'm going to leave the link of the Zazzle affiliate link in the description box below. You can go over to this particular link and you can see your own affiliate link over here. So you're going to see the three options. You have to register, the share, and then you have to earn. You can read the program details on this particular page about how much you're gonna make, and if you're having if you're getting a bonus, like if you're selling more, then you are making bonus up to 17%. So that's pretty amazing and interesting. So this is the page looks like probably. Okay, once you're here, you're gonna see a link over here. You have to register in, so you just need to sign up on this page. So guys, you can see I have already signed up on the Zazzle associate program. Now this is my associate ID. Once you sign up, you're gonna get your associate ID and you're gonna get all the stuffs over here. What you have to do, you just need to take a zazzle.com/store, then you need to add the store name, and then you need to add your associate ID to whatever link you're having, and you can very well get your associate ID over here. You can read the much more detail about how you can very well utilize this associate ID and how you can very well place it over. So this is my associate ID. You can see I'm just have to write the any store name, and then I have to use the three codes at the end, NR and F and equals to sign, and then I need to place my store ID. You are also getting a store link over here, which you can very well generate the affiliate link by placing the store name over here. So you can see we have already enrolled in that. Very well, you can enroll it, and once you're enrolling that, now I'm going to be showing you how to use the store link, like how you can place any store name, and then you can generate the associate then you can generate the affiliate link from that. So I'm going to click over to this button, that the store link. Moment I'm going to click over here, I'm going to be landing on to some other page like this. Now on this page, you can very well see there is a stuff over here. You can write the store name of any store you want to generate the affiliate link. You can also write the tracking code if you want to track that particular link, and then you can click over to the build a link, and you will immediately going to get a link. So I'm going to be selecting one store randomly on the Zazzle, and we will going to generate our affiliate link from that. So I'm going to pick up this particular store. You can pick up whatever store you want to pick up, or whatever product you want to pick up. You can pick up that store name. So I'm going to be clicking over this. So this is the store name I'm going to take and generate an affiliate link from that. So it's a unique wedding shop. It's in any random shop that I pick up on the Zazzle. So I'm going to write the store name over here. So I'm going to be writing the name of that store, which I randomly saw on the Zazzle. So you just need to write the name. And once you have written the store name over here, then you probably have to go forward and write the tracking code if you want to track this particular link. So you can write whatever over here, the code. I'm going to just write a simple sample 1 as a tracking code for the sake of this particular tutorial. Once you are done with that, you just need to click over to this blue button downwards. That is the build link. And moment you click over to that button, you're gonna have your link ready. So this is the link, okay? You can copy this HTML code and you can paste it on your website if you're promoting on your website. But since we are promoting on a Pinterest, so I'm gonna just copy this particular code and go over to my Pinterest account, and we're going to promote this store. Now guys, this is my Pinterest account of Global Art Magazine. You can very well open up your own Pinterest account, and then you need to go over to the option, the create. On the left hand side you can see the create option. Click over to the create pin option since we are creating a pin. Now proceed further and place a link over here. You're getting a lot of the options. You can add the title over here, description of your pin over here. So what we will gonna do over here, I'm gonna very well paste the link over here, add a destination link, and I'm gonna remove the code, the header code that we have on the link, because that was the header link to place it on our website. So we need to remove that header code from our link, because if we don't remove that, then we won't be able to get a destination link for our pin. So very well remove the code. Now you can see how I'm actually removing the HTML code from the front and back end of the link, which is really important. Otherwise you won't be able to have your destination link pointing to the store. So you can see this is the stuff that I need to remove the entire code. And once you remove that, you're gonna see zazzle.com/store name. That's the unique wedding design. And then you're gonna see your affiliate or associate ID. So that's all you need for promoting your thing. Now what you need to do, you have this particular link, right? Now I have inverted commas, so I've removed that. I'm gonna just copy this link and paste this particular link from the option that I'm seeing currently in this stuff is a save from the site. So I'm just gonna copy this entire link of this particular store. Then I'm going to be directly clicking over to the publish, and we were going to finish up with the sharing this particular store on the Pinterest as an affiliate. So I'm just gonna copy this entire link over here. You're gonna see how I'm actually copying this link. Now there's a little bit more steps. Then you need to click over to this option, save from site, and then you need to click add the link, paste the link over here and go over here. Then you can bring the then you can select the pictures that you see. We are getting currently the 2 pictures. You can select both of them, or you can select the one of them. It depends on you. And now you can add the title or description if you want to, and if not, then very well go and finish up and click over to the publish option. So boom, we are done with sharing the store, the Zazzle store as an affiliate. Okay, it was some random store I shared. Likewise, I'm gonna show you another example of sharing some other stores. So just go back and I'm gonna find some another store that will to share it onto the Pinterest. So I'm looking at some other store, and then I'm gonna build that link, generate that link of that particular store. From I'm gonna click over to this particular store for creating an affiliate link, and I'm gonna take the store name as the paper and lace, and we're going to place over here the paper and lace in the store name, and then I'm gonna be writing the tracking code and get the build link option. Now once you get that, you're again getting this particular HTML code. Just copy this one, go back to your Pinterest account, and then again you need to go over to the option, the create pin. And once you are here, you just need to save from the site. You need to paste the link that you have copied over here, and you just need to remove the HTML code from the front and back end of the link, so that your Pinterest pin is driving to a particular specification, to particular destination link. So you need to remove the HTML code from the front and the back end, and you're only left with the link that is your affiliate link. Once you're done with that, then click over to this, and then you are gonna get an options to save it from the website. You can select the pins and then click over to add one file option. I have selected both of them. I'm going to be writing a title over here. You have to write the title. You can write the title as the store name, or you can write something very specific about the store, and then you can very well write the description of your pin, depending on what the store actually depicts, or why you want to tell the people to go over to the store or get some stuff. Like you can write something kind of like incentive, grab this beautiful stuff or beautiful design, or some wedding invitation or something like that. So I'm just naming both the titles of the pins, and I'm gonna be also writing the description of both of my pins. You can very well have one pin. I just took the one pin for the sake of this particular tutorial. Once you're done with that, just select the board where you wanna save your pin. I'm gonna be selecting a random board over here, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna be clicking over to the option, the publish, and boom, our one of the pin has been published. The same likewise, I'm gonna pick up the another board for this second pin and click over to the publish option, and boom, we have shared both of the pins. And this is actually sharing the store name or the store of a designer, whether it's your store or someone else's store, onto the Pinterest as an affiliate. Okay, so that was the one thing. The second thing, I'm gonna show you how to share the product from the Zazzle as an affiliate onto the Pinterest. So that is the second part of the tutorial. So this is a particular product I've came across. You just need to scroll down. You're gonna see a link option over here. Just click over to that link option. The moment you're gonna click over here, you're gonna get your affiliate link. Okay, no matter what product it is, just click over to that product, open the product, and below that you're gonna see a link, and then click on that link and you're gonna get a link, the HTML and all that stuff, and it's an associate. Your associate ID would always will obviously going to be added behind that particular link. So this is an affiliate link. You very well click over to this link and go back to the Pinterest, and you can very well share this particular product. So I'm just gonna click copy this particular link that I'm seeing currently for this particular product. Then I'm gonna go back to the Pinterest again, click over to the create, click over to the create pin option. Then you're gonna see, then you can very well place the link that you have copied, and over this option that's a save from the site, paste the link over here, click over to this arrow, and then you are getting an option to save the ideas from the website. You can select the product. You are getting the 3 different files over here, 3 different pictures. Click over to the add file, write the title over here of your pin, what it is related to. You can write the title according to your pin. You can add your own picture over here as well, instead of this particular picture that you're getting from that website, from that link. You can add your custom picture over here as well. Then you can write the title. So I'm just writing a random title that's related to this particular sticker product. And then you can very well write the description of your pin and can incentivize the people to actually click over to the link and very well go to the Zazzle and buy this particular product. Then select the board and click over to the publish. Boom, we have very well published the pin, and we have shared the products as an affiliate onto the Pinterest. Now I'm going to be picking up another particular product, and we're going to show you how you can very well share some other product. This was the sticker I took. Now I'm going to be taking up some other random product. I'm going to show you how to share that particular product on the Pinterest as an affiliate. So just going to pick up some other product. Let's see which one I'm going to pick up. I'm going to be picking up the second product from this store itself. So that's why I click over to the product option, and I'm going to take a look at some other product apart from the sticker, which I can very well share the affiliate link. So I'm going to be sharing this bridesmaid tote bag. So I'm going to be clicking over to this particular product, and then I'm going to be going a little bit downside, and I'm going to see a link over here. So you just need to scroll down. Below that, you're going to see a share pin. You're going to see a link option over here. Just click over to that, and the first link that you're seeing, it's your affiliate link. So you can very well copy that particular link, and then very well go over to the Pinterest and simply paste that link. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just copy this link over here. Again, going back to the Pinterest, and we're going to click over to the option, the create pin option. Then I'm going to click over to the save from the site, paste the link over here, click over to this arrow, and you are getting the option to save the ideas from the website. So I'm just going to select one of them and click over to the add one file. Then you can very well write the pin, title, and pin description. So I'm just writing the title based on the product that I have selected. It's a bridesmaid gift. That's a tote bag. Then I'm going to be writing the description. You can very well write a big description if you would like to. Probably I'm going to keep the thing short over here for the sake of this particular tutorial. You can very well drag your own image from the Canva if you have made a Pinterest pin. Then select the board in which you want to pin this particular pin. I'm just going to select a random pin. I'm going to focusing on a gift board that I have in my shop. So I'm going to be choosing gift ideas and publish. Boom. We have shared this particular Pinterest pin, this particular product pin onto the Pinterest using our own affiliate link. So it's very simple and very straightforward to share your affiliate link for whether it's related to the store on a Zazzle or whether it's related to a Zazzle products. You can just do the simple stuff and you can very well share it, and you can do it. So this is another product. You can see, click over to that. Below you're gonna see the link, and you're gonna click over to the link, and you're gonna see your product link along with your associate ID already attached to that. You just need to copy that, go back to the Pinterest and paste it, and boom, it's been done. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Find this video useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you want more such tutorials, or any tutorial or any video request you have for me? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'll gonna see you in the next video with a new topic or maybe a new tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye guys.